We are creating beautiful tabletops using resin and dried flowers. Use a circular mold and put see-through resin inside of it. We're starting by a first layer, and we're going to incorporate dried flowers inside of it. Any dry flowers you want. We're using this really nice pastel color theme. Put as many as you want. Or more like put as many as you can. Once you're happy with your design, add more resin on top of it. All the way up to the top of the mold. Once it has dried, you can take off the mold, leaving you with this beautiful circular resin with flowers. You can use this as a decoration in many ways, but we are choosing to use it as a tabletop. The best thing about this is that you can make so many different designs and choose any flowers or color code as you like. Once dry, you can sand it. Make everything super smooth so nothing sticks out. The result is absolutely gorgeous. Have fun making any tabletops matching your house.